Welcome! Today, we will walk through the complete setup and configuration for the new CCObserver feature in the DRTE add-on. This feature allows non-signing stakeholders to view the progress and final version of e-signature requests in real time. First, navigate to your Salesforce setup and verify the CC_Observer managed package is installed. You should see version 0.2 under the DRTE_EXT namespace published by Cody Labs. Next, locate the DRTE Observer admin user permission set. This is critical for users who will be managing the Observer records and configuration. Assign the admin permission set to the appropriate users. This grants the necessary CRUD permissions for the Observer objects. To update the user interface, go to the Object Manager and select the e-signature request object. We will modify the page layout. Within the Page Layout Editor, click Related Lists. Drag the e-signature observer's related list onto the page layout. This shows who can view the document. Once saved, verify the layout. The e-signature observers section should include the observer name, contact, status, and the unique observer URL. Now let's configure communication. Open the App Launcher and search for Email Templates to find the Observer Notification template. In the DRTE Email Template folder, look for DRTE Action Required Review Request Observer Access. This template contains the secure link for observers. Open the template and copy the unique ID from the URL, which starts with 00x. We will need this ID for custom settings. Go back to Setup and search for Custom Settings. Click Manage next to DRTE Settings to link the template ID. Find the field labeled Observer Email Template ID and paste the ID you copied. This ensures the correct template is used for observer notifications. Next, we create a dedicated page on your Experience Cloud site. Navigate to All Sites and click Builder for your e-signature portal. Inside the Experience Builder, open the Pages menu and click the + New Page button at the bottom of the dropdown. Select Standard Page. We want a custom layout, not strictly tied to a standard Salesforce record detail page. Choose New Blank Page to gain full control over component placement without any default clutter. For the content layout, select the eSign theme for Experience site. This ensures the Observer view matches your signing portal's branding and styling. Name the page Observe and set the URL to /observe. This path will be used to generate the secure Observer links. From the Components palette, find and drag the DRTE Observer View custom component into the main content area of the new page. It is normal to see access denied in the builder. The component is active and waiting for a valid token in the URL to grant access. The final step in the builder is to click Publish. Once live, the system will use this page for all new Observer links. Now, ensure guest users have the necessary permissions. In Experience Builder, go to Settings General and click on the Guest User Profile link. From the Profile page in Salesforce Setup, click View Users to find the specific guest user record associated with your site. Now, we need to assign the specific guest permission set to this user. Locate and assign the DRTE Observer Guest User Permission Set. It provides read-only access to Observer and request objects for external stakeholders. Assign the DRTE Observer Guest User Permission set to the guest user. Finally, go to DRTE Settings, a custom setting, and manage the org-wide record. Define the Observe site page name. For instance, we set Observe as the value. That completes the setup and configuration of the CCObserver feature.